In this video, we will make our first React component and render it to the DOM. In the index.js file, we will create a function called game. You can see that this function returns something that looks like HTML. However, it is neither HTML nor is it a string. It is JSX. JSX is a syntax extension to JavaScript. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. During Create React Apps build process, JSX compiles to pure JavaScript. React does not require using JSX, but it is recommended because it looks similar to HTML and is easy for developers to read and write. Save the file. In the browser, you'll see Fail to compile. React must be in scope when using JSX. So let's import React at the top of our file. Save the file. We can see that the app compiles. However, we still see a blank screen. The game function is a React component. We need to render the game component to the DOM. In order to do that, we first need to import the React DOM package. Now that we've imported the React DOM library, we can use its render method. The render method takes two arguments, the first being the component to render to the DOM, and the second being the node in the DOM to render the component to. We will refer to this DOM node as the target node or the target container. Let's go to the bottom of the file. The first argument is the game component using JSX notation. The second argument is the target node. In Create React App, the target node is a div with an ID of root. We will access this target node using JavaScript's document.getElementById method. Save the file and see the component render on our page. Well done! You've now rendered your first React component.